So let's talk about positive words and affirmations around the birthing environment. So this can be leading right up to the birth, any of those interactions that you've had with other people telling you their birth stories. If you tend to focus on the negative ones, then it doesn't put you in a good mindset and your brain remembers those stories. So often it's best to read up as much as you possibly can about the positive birth stories and how people use that information themselves and how they learnt it to be able to have this positive birth. So the thing is with positive mindset and using positive words in birth. So instead of using words like contraction, which might sound really intense and scary, you can use things like waves or flow, or, there's other words that people tend to use, which are just a different twist on the word that just fits right with you. So you can change as many words as you like to be able to fit right with the way you see things. But it's a bit like a gratitude journal, where if you write positive things every day, of good things that you're thankful for in your life every day, it's the same with positive words and affirmations, that your brain builds up and strengthens that. It's like a neurotransmitter that reminds you daily of all the good things, the positive things. And if you keep reinforcing that, it almost blanks out the bad stuff, because that neurotransmitter is really, really strong, and that's the one your brain is going to focus on. Now, this does take practice, this does take work, because it's the brain fires off this little signal every day, and obviously you've got to keep strengthening that and working on it. So it might take a good couple of months before that strength takes over the negative thoughts, but it's definitely worth doing from early on in pregnancy. So that's also why we have affirmation cards. So again, this is because, let's say if you stick them on the back of your toilet door, you're going to see them every day, and without even thinking about it, your brain reads words. So every time you sit on the toilet and you can see the back of your toilet door, your brain will read those words over and over again, and that is strengthening that neurotransmitter, that's strengthening that positive words affirmation, which means that your brain will remember that more, the positive, than it will the negative. So with our affirmation cards, the way we've designed ours, you will see in this course somewhere, is that we have done it where you can actually spend some time colouring in the picture and the words. So we have done it this way because it means that you are spending time and energy and allowing your pencil to flow. So you're colouring in the grid, and you're colouring in the words, and you're really taking time to focus on that saying, that affirmation, and really allowing your brain to absorb it over and over and over again. So that's why we're doing it this way, because not only is it relaxation practice, it's getting into the rhythm of allowing your body to relax, your mind to relax and focus, but it's also giving your brain that positive affirmation to remember throughout pregnancy, but also take it into your birth and pretty much beyond.